Good day everyone, we are Group 2. Our title of our report is the History of Basic Computing Period. Our topic have four content. First is the definition of computer. The second is the application of ICT. Third is the basic computing period. The last one is ages, history of a computer, generation of the computer. So let's proceed to the part 1. By the way, I'm Lester Plicano. I will report the definition of computer. So, a computer is an electronic device that receive data. It process data according to instruction. Third is it produce useful information as output. The last one, it can also store data and information for future use. So a computer have a four basic function: input, processing, output, storage. So that is more na iyang makaya. But it depends on us how we manipulate a computer. And that's all. And the next will be discussed by Alperes Vera, the application of ICT.
Today, I'm gonna report the application of ICT or computer in our daily lives. So there are many applications of ICT in our daily lives, but I only pick 8 of them. So first is the education. So education, online learning and research. So ang education or ang ICT is gamit na kayo through education. Kaya pwede na tayong maka-search or makatanan sa grado through online para di na lang kamat sa school. And the next is communication, which are the most basic or the common one. So messaging, email, and video calls. So ang online gamit kinato karon kay pwede na ka mag-message or mag-text, mag-chat, or most ko and mag-video call. The next is banking. So online banking and electronic payments. So pwede na ka mag-bank online. For example, karang GCash, pwede na siya matawag na online banking. And also the electronic payment. So pwede na ka magbayad through GCash or through online na lang, nito na kamoto sa imong bayanan. And next is the healthcare. So patient records and medical systems. So makita ninyo mo through online ang mga records sa usa ka patient sa hospital. Yung mga kanila medical system, mga kailangan nila sa hospital, pwede na makita nimo through online. And next is the shopping. So online shopping and digital payments. So for example, ani kini Lazada o Shopee, matawag ni siya na digital or online shopping kay no need na ka moto sa ilang mga shop para mopalit sa kuan. Kini mo order na kaya moto na sa balay ni ka pila ka days o few days. And the next is the business. So accounting and record payment or keeping. So accounting, magamit ang business nimo or ang online sa mga business kay pwede na ka to mag-store sa imong mga records sa imong business. And the next one is the entertainment. So entertainment, niya rin ako ng games, movies, and music. So online, gamit na kayo or gamit na kayo sa games, sa matana kag movies through online, and music. Just like for example, Spotify or YouTube. And the last one is the transportation. So navigation and online booking. So navigation, for example, kana waka katuod sa lugar, pwede ka magtanaw sa Google Map para matuod mo ang lugar na waka kakuan mo madto. And online booking. So for example, mulakaw ka, waka makita ng mga taxi or what, pwede na kang mukuha sa online para makatawag ka or mato ka sa ka taxi. And the next one is the history of computers. And here ay nasa upat ka kuan, nasa 4 components. So pre-mechanical age, and the next is mechanical age and electromechanical age, and the last one is electronic age. Will be reported by Kent G. Aban.
Report the history of computer. First is pre-mechanical age. Period before 1450, people used simple tools for counting. The abacus was one of the earliest calculating device. Like katong abacus bitaw katong maglingin, tapos ay itong bato na stick, manay counting sa una. Tapos counting was mainly done using finger, mga taongingon, stone, and tally marks. Second is period 1450. Second is mechanical age. Period 1450 and 1840. Machine began using mechanical parts such as gear and wheels. So high-tech na siya. Pascal line was developed by Blaise Pascal. Charles Babbage designed the different engine and analytical engine. So the next one will reporting
Mechanical age, period 1450 to 1840. Machine began using mechanical parts such as gears and wheels. So nagsugod og gamit ang mga makina o mga gears o mga wheel or ligid para makaproseso. Then Pascal line was developed by Blaise Pascal. So usa ka mechanical nga nagcalculate nga giimbento ni Blaise Pascal. Charles Babbage was designed the different engine and analytical engine. So gidisenyo ni Charles Babbage ang different engine o analytical engine. Next kay electromechanical age, period 1840 to 1940. Machine, combine electrical and mechanical technology. Giusa ang kuryente o mechanical nga pisa sa usa ka makina. Punch card we use to process information. So gigamit kini nga mga card aron magproseso o magtipid og informasyon. So electromechanical machine become faster and more useful for large amount of data. So nagsugod og gamit ang mga kuryente aron mas mapaayo og mapaspas ang computing machine.
Period 1940 present. Computer began using electronic components. So nagsugod og gamit ang mga computer og electronic parts imbis na mechanical. They become faster, smaller, cheaper and more powerful. Nahimong mas paspas, mas gamay ug mas barato ug mas gamhanan ang mga computer. This period led to modern computers, smartphones and advanced technologies. Electronic technology transformed computing. So naghatag og dalan sa mga modernong computer, smartphone ug uban pang advanced technology. So ang electronic technology ang nagbag-o sa sakto nga pamaagi sa computing. So computer generation. First generation is a vacuum tube. So ang vacuum tube dako nga mga tubo nga dali moinit og dako og kaon sa espasyo. So second is transistor. Transistor kay nagsaliro sa vacuum tube, nagpagamay og nagkapaspas sa computer. So third generation microprocessor. So microprocessor giusa ang daghang transistor sa usa ka gamay nga silicon chip. So last is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence ang teknolohiya karon og sa pikas nga mga adlaw nga makahimo og unahon na og kat-om pareha sa tao.
So sa first generation of computers, they used to have vacuum tubes, has a very large size, produce a lot of heat, consume much electricity, and expensive to operate. For example, ENIAC. In second generation computers, transistors replaced vacuum tubes. Computers became smaller and faster. They used less electricity. They were more reliable. The key improvements sa second generation kay mas gamay siya unya mas efficient siya kaysa sa first generation na ning gamit og vacuum tubes.
Third generation integrated circuit IC is so ang integrated circuit is mao ni siya ang ikatulong nga kanang henerasyon sa computer gigamit ang IC mo ni siya ang gagmay nga chip nga dunay daghan nga electronic components. So many electronic components were placed on small chips. So ang mga computer nahimong mas gagmay siya like sa una nga dagko. So kari na gud ang computers become smaller and more powerful. So nahimong mas paspas og kusgan ang processing. So the same sa una nga kanang hinay karon is mas gipapaspas gyud nila ang proseso gamit ang integrated circuit. So processing speed increase, computers become more reliable. So mo ni siya ang daghang computer sa ibutang sa usa ka chip. So dira nang murag dito ba like dito ibutang tanan ang isod pero gamay ka na siya. So fourth generation microprocessors. So ang microprocessors is mo ni sang ikaupat nga henerasyon gigamit ang microprocessor diin daghang proseso function gibutang sa usa ka chip. The microprocessor plays many processing function on a single chip. So nahimong mas dali ug mas barato gigamit paggamit sa personal computer like sa mga PC, sa laptop, mo ni siya. So personal computers becomes widely available. Nahimong mas gamay og portable ang mga computer like nanadira pwede na sa kanang laptop, sa MacBook or sa unsa pa dira mo na ang karon na kanang portable na siya, madadaan na siya like sa una nga di pa.
So next we have artificial intelligence or AI. Focuses on intelligent and advanced computing. Computers can process natural language and recognize patterns. AI is used in robotics, virtual assistants, and many modern applications. Examples: AI assistant, robots, and intelligent software.